It's over there. Uh-oh. Can you bring him to me? Thank you. Uh-oh. Whoops. Oh, shoot. Can you bring him to me? Thank you. Whoops. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Thank you. Can you bring him to me? Thank you, Ethan. What would I do without you? Oh, no. Whoops. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Can you bring it to me? Oh, thank you so much. I lost my socks. Actually, your socks. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Whoops! Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Can you get them? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Ethan. Can you bring them to me? Thank you. Whoops. Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. That's 2. That's 3. Can you bring it to me? Thank you. Alright. Getting tired out? Ready for bed? Not yet? Whoops! Uh-oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, that's 1. That's 2. Where's number 3? There it is. Number 3. Thank you. Can you bring him to me? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You're missing. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. How am I going to get the socks? It's an endless game, isn't it? It's endless. Alright, I got 2 back. Thank you. Okay. Time for bed? You want another kiwi? Bite of kiwi?